guys, welcome back with the last puzzle of yesterday's newspaper. Yes, yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, June the 19th, 2021. Because today on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, and I've told you earlier I will continue with the puzzle of the yesterday's edition, the additional, and the first two puzzles I've solved are the letter Sudoku and the Sudoku with 2 stars. Then the final Sudoku or puzzle is a tectonic one, tectonic with 1 star. Alright, and this one will be a number 2978. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Wow, a lot of printed digits. So it should be an easy one. Alright, so let's begin. And the first question is, can we see here the single box? The single box is always a 1. Alright. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes? I see here a dual box. The 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. Alright, then triple boxes. I see here a triple box. Triple box, the numbers 2 and the 1 are already filled in, so 1 box left. Should be a 3. Alright, do we have more triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes then? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes. For example, the T shape. Here we have the T shape. And remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Alright, let me draw this. Alright, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case should be a 1. And also that box has the same number as this box. Here also a T shape but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Correct. But also that box has the same number as this box. Alright, more T shapes? No. Then the following shape. The L shape. This is rotated and mirrored. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape, this kind of shape. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of shape? No. So we go to the following shape or construction or figure of this one. Yes. Alright. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. More of this kind of shape? No. Then I see here a figure that you need to recognize. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, those are the figures that you need to recognize in this puzzle. So let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright. Let me see. This box, 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround a 3 cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left of the 3 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then this box can be a 1, this box can be a 3, so the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 box left in this T shape for the number 4, and this box is connected with that box, so should be also a 4. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 3, so the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this area for the number 2. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this T shape for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. This box can be a 4. This box can be a 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this area for the number 1. These 3 boxes surround a 5, can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Then these 3 boxes surround the 5, cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box cannot be a 4. That means that this box is connected with that box, so we cannot be a 4 again. So I eliminated the 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. So this box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those. Well, I cannot place the 1 here, I have a double 1 there, so it must be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. If I fill or place the 1 here, so this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 5. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 4. Those 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Then I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5, yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5 in this area. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore, that box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. 1 and the 3 are left. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, this box cannot be a 3, that box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. For the number 3, this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then this box can be those two boxes can be a 5. This box can be a 5, so one box left for the 5 should be here. Then those two boxes can be a 2, so one box left for the 2 should be here. The 1 and the 4 are left in this area. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 numbers left now. These two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Alright. Great puzzle. I like this Tectonic. Faster than 15 minutes. I've told you. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonics, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the Sudokus with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. I have also a playlist for the letter Sudokus, for the heavy Sudokus, for the light Sudokus, for the quintuplet, for the killer Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Yes. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday. And we will meet again tomorrow on Monday. Yeah, we can. Still we can. See you then. Bye-bye for now.